Hi guys, welcome back my study channel Study Point 100.2. Please subscribe my channel. Let's start. Question number 1. When was Paradise Lost completed by Milton? Option number A 1640. Option number B 1665. Option number C 1641. Option number D 1660. Option number B is the right answer for this question. 1665. Paradise Lost was completed by Milton in 1665. Who is the question number 2. Who is the author of lyrical ballads? Option number A Keats. Option number B Wordsworth. Option number C Dryden. Option number D Pope. Option number B is the right answer for this question. Wordsworth. Lyrical ballad is written by William Wordsworth. Lyrical ballad published in 1798. लिरिकल बलाड 1798 में प्रकाशित हुई थी. इट इज रिटन बाय विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ एंड टी.एस. इलियट. यह विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ और टी.एस. इलियट द्वारा लिखी गई थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज ए केसुरा इन पोइट्री? ऑप्शन नंबर ए line containing consonants. Option number B, a sprung rhythm. Option number C, a pause indicated by a comma. Option number D, none of these. Option number C is the right answer for this one. Kesara is in a poetry a pause indicated by drama. Petrarch had divided his sonnet into two parts. पेट्रेच ने अपनी सोनेट दो भागों में विभाजित की थी. द octave of 8 lines and sestet of 6 lines with a pause or kesura after the 8 line. So option number C is the right answer for this one. Question number 4. Select the right meaning of the word linguist from the following. Option number A, one who know everyone only one language. Option number A, one who know only one language. Option number B, one who know two languages. Option number C, one who know more than two languages. Option number D, one who knows several languages. Option number D is the right answer for this question. One who knows several languages. Question number 5. Who among the following is English romantic poet? Option number A, William Shakespeare. Option number B, John Milton. Option number C, William Wordsworth. Option number D, P.G. Wodehouse. Option number C is the right answer for this question. William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is English romantic poet. William Wordsworth lyrical ballad with Coleridge in 1798 is said to be the beginning of romantic period. Question number 6. In the sentence, all the officers should respect one another. One another is option number A, noun. Option number B, adjective. Option number C, adverb. Option number D, pronoun. Option number D is the right answer for this one. Pronoun. One another is representing some persons, so it is pronoun. Question number 7. In the sentence, I doubt whether she will meet him, whether is. Option number A, pronoun. Option number B, preposition. Option number C, conjunction. Option number D, adverb. Option number C, conjunction, is the right answer for this question. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentence together. Question number 8. In language used by William Shakespeare in his drama, for the most part is. Option number A, poetic prose. Option number B, blank verse. Option number C, narrative prose. Option number D, dramatic verse. Option number B, blank verse, is the right answer for this one. Not a single play by Shakespeare is completely in prose or completely in verse, but it is mingling of both. A major part of his play are in blank verse. So option number B, blank verse, is the right answer for this one. Question number 9. The finest of Galsworthy's later drama is A, Escape. Option number B, The Pigeon. Option number C, The Skin Game. Option number D, Loyalties. Escape, published in 1926. The Pigeon, published 1912. The Skin Game, published 1920. Loyalty of his later drama. So option number D is the right answer for this one. Question number 10. William Shakespeare dedicated his youthful poem Venus and Adonis and Lucrece to. Option number A, the Earl of Southey. Option number B, the Earl of Southampton. Option number C, the Earl of Surrey. Option number D, the Earl of Saxony. Option number B is the right answer for this one. The Earl of Southampton. Shakespeare dedicated his poem Venus and Adonis and Lucrece along with his first 126 sonnets to Earl to Southampton. Question number 11. Pun is a opposite word, a play of words, a funny word. Option number D, identical words. Option number B is the right answer for the word A. Play of word. When we use some word in two or more sense in order to make the people laugh, we employ the figure of speech called pun. Option number B is the right answer for this one. Question number 12. The age of Milton had three kinds of poet. Option number A, religious, heroic, Puritan. Option number B, metaphysical, cavalier, Puritan. Option number C, metaphysical, romantic, dramatic. Option number D, cavalier, religious, classical. Option number B is the right answer for this one. Metaphysical, cavalier, and Puritan. Metaphysical, cavalier, Puritan. Miltonicus covers the span of time between 1625 to 1660, which is dominated by metaphysical, cavalier, and Puritan poet. Question number 13. Which of the following is a masque written by Milton? Option number A, Comus. Option number B, Areopagitica. Option number D, Lycidas. Option number D, none of the above. Option number A is the right answer for this question, Comus. The Masque of Comus is in many respects the most perfect of Milton's poem. Question number 14. There are some books in the bag. Option number A is, option number B was, option number C were, option number D have. Option number C is the right answer for this one. There were some books. There were some books in the bag. So option number C is the right answer for this one. Question number 15. Epic is, option number A, story of battle. Option number B, a long narrative poem on a serious subject. Option number C, dramatic monologue. Option number B is the right answer for this one. A long narrative poem on a serious subject. Epic is a long narrative which tells of heroes and heroic deeds. So option number B is the right answer for this क्वेश्चन। यदि आपको हमारा यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। धन्यवाद।